DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, you don't know, so the Dan is back in the building with another reaction. You see me? Man, gang, you see what I do today, man. We're back in the building with none other than, you don't know, Mr. Vanilla Card, Mr. What I say? Yeah, Mr. Vanilla Card, Mr. Damn, V6 Panitol. You don't know, yeah, man, we're there with Malie Donn. You see me, the one I name 5Hype. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Don't know, Malie, no stranger to the channel. Artists will react over here regularly. You see me and say, yeah, man, artists will. Bro, I just check my Malie Donn reactions. It's been a minute since we react to Malie. I don't know how. I could have sworn me drop a Malie reaction just the other day, but I guess not. And this one was actually requested by Ethan Braham, one of Dan Mafia member. Big up Ethan. Who else requested this one? I think it was just Ethan this time, so big up Ethan. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, check out Malie Donn 5Hype. We're not gonna go hold up the vibes much longer, gang. We'll jump right now, chuck. Yeah, see me and say Malie Donn 5Hype, gang. Let's go.
My girl them play about me.
Look nice, still you know what on there. You know, mama, what on? Let me see her again. Nice man, go on now.
Of course, me girl them bust gun too.
Bumbo Clyde, bad girl with machine. Bumbo Clyde. Hey!
Stay there. We have the tightest pussy girl them. We have the real murderer friend them. Have you to set a girl with the body set a man? I'm a real top banger friend them.
Yeah man.
They are 15.
She's right, come in now.
Extend. So me no listen when them
man,
sing
no,
threat.
Yeah man, we have a bad girl them, you know. You see me have the Taliban them would we, you know, easy yourself, you would.
Who gives a fuck who wants set me hype, 2 hype, 3 hype, me hype bad. I'm a gun in my car and the girl pan the seat, give my brain make me feel like God. Your girl a suck dick fee, 1 coffee tea bag, you know they in my league man mad. I'm a dark, now my days, I'm a dark, now my way, she the search with me, show God.
Easy up.
From Western Union, days color finger, she pussy and still a fear peer.
Easy, voila. Yeah man, Malie, hold on, Malie, come in, man. This big beach rhythm is going crazy, you know. Like every song pan it blood cleat, every song pan it bad. Yo man, come in, man, if you run this again, man. Come in.
Who gives a fuck who wants set me hype, 2 hype, 3 hype, me hype bad. I'm a gun in my car and the girl pan the seat, give my brain make me feel like God.
Which is right, come on.
Your girl a suck dick fee, 1 coffee tea bag, you know they in my league man mad.
None tall, we not don't size up.
I'm a dark, now my days, I'm a dark, now my way, she the search with me, show God.
No light, no day, GPS cut it off, come in.
Think my player. From Western Union, days color finger, she pussy and still a fear peer. New York City can't see Robbie Astray. 9x19 chip and it a spray. Bad bitch, what we kill her in a year.
Next 19 youth, I want to hear youth when you don't want to hear that. No sir. Come in.
Apple can buckle and bust up on no face. Up in the town, we a fuck up on no place. Woof, 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 woof.
Woof, woof.
Church now keep on in my prayer. Have you sick we a night and sick we a day. From your move strange, funeral off your range.
From your move strange, nigga, funeral off your range, nigga. You see me? Yeah man, get your priorities in order. You see me? And say, yeah man, make arrangements. Cause you got dead boy. Come in.
Night and sick we a day. From your move strange, funeral off your range. From your move strange, funeral off your range. Pop 1 hex and wall sick meds. Use big blood clot, brick bust bitch head. Pussy won't stop, ask about Miss Jen, man, top news.
Easy now, man, the girl, them outside with the rival, them woman. Easy now.
That old bitch dead. Gucci kicks, boy, tapping him crep. Girl, I control balls like Messi in step.
Easy, bumbo climb. Easy. Girl, I control balls like Messi in step. Easy, Malie Donn. Easy, come in.
Gucci kicks, boy, tapping him crep. Girl, I control balls like Messi instead.
Easy, dog, I squash out.
Pussy big check. Choppy fat crown with the dirty rims, them. See my wife up a dirty bitch there. If him ever find out, say me fuck it, him dead. She never.
That's a. My wife from the dirty bitch there. If you find out, say me a fuck it. Yeah, jump out. I'd get beat, yo.
See my wife up a dirty bitch there. If him ever find out, say me fuck it, him dead. She name off me John, but no give him head. Me no work with fed, so me no give intel. Everything shell. We have the tightest pussy girl them.
Hey, where dog say what? Mr. Party, when you say?
With fed, so me no give intel. Off me John, but no give him. Me fuck it, him dead. She name off me John, but no give him head. Me no work with fed, so me no give intel.
That job, bro. She name off move, she name. Okay, brother, Jesus and peace.
Everything shell. We have the tightest pussy girl them. We have a real murderer friend them. Have you had to set a girl with the body set a man? I'm a real top banger friend them. AR-15 clipper extend.
Easy no woman, girl, go on now, easy no.
Me no listen when them a send threat.
Yeah, woman, you nice stuff. Easy yourself, you talk. What you know?
Boy, them a talk, but me not hear them. Who gives a fuck? Who wants say me hype, 2 hype, 3 hype, me hype bad. I'm a gun in my car and a gal pan the seat. Give my brain, make me feel like God. You tell us.
Me like the one there, where you see me. But me feel like somebody could have found harder. Me no feel like say this time best hook. Hook bad, me no care. So who say me 3 hype, 2, 5 hype bad. You see me? Yeah, it mad, but me not like. But hearing what Squash and Javodan come out with, plus you have Jake one. Feel like say dog can have blood play. You see me? Yeah, man. The lyrics in a song bad, but me feel like say just the hook part. You could have gone.
I'm a league man, I'm a dark, I'm a days, I'm a dark, I'm a weird. Should I search for the me show God? Think my player from Western Union, days color finger.
Dog, Byron Messiah. 6 camp, yo, the 6 camp strong in a dog, me not lie.
Think my player from Western Union, days color finger, she pussy and still a fear peer. New York City can't see Robbie Astria.
Outside, you see me? Malie Donn, vanilla card, V69, you know, bomba, you see me? Yeah, man, long time the beast escape on the tour, but big up Malie, man. Yeah, man, the one is a vibe, play this song too. But knowing what I know from Malie, I expect the dog to come way hard. I expect him to come with a way catchier, a way better hook. Everything bad enough, but complete with big breeze. You see me a woof woof. And Bumbuckle hometown I deal with. You see me, I actually dog come with a more catchier one. The one that bad to big up Malie. God, the beat is just crazy overall. You see me I say? Yeah, man, gang. Let me know one thing about the one still. You see me drop in the comments and comments. You can definitely go show the artists some love and support. Make you know that Jambisco and Seno. You already know what time it is. Definitely let me know no favorite partner in the comments. Let's chop it up like we always do. Drop in the comments and let's have a Discord. Our Discord is going. You see me? Yeah, man. Let's go have a conversation going in the comments, man. I'm always in there. I'll reply to everybody. So drop your comments. You see me? If you're ever wondering, I always reply to everybody. So drop your comments. I reply to you, and we can have a conversation going. Let me know what your favorite part is. Beats, lyrics, melody, video. You know what I'm saying? And show the artist on what you already know what time it is, man. Yeah, drop your request. You're always gonna get shout out. You already know what time it is, man. But yeah, man. You don't know. Malie did this thing on the bombard. I believe this is what the Juta rhythm. What is the name of the rhythm? What is the name of this rhythm? Yeah, the big. I believe Big Breeze rhythm. You see me? I say I call it the Big Breeze rhythm. You see me? I say yeah. Yeah, he did his thing, man, but they really made us mad. You see what I'm saying? But drop in the comments to talk about it, gang. You already know. I appreciate all the comments, all the engagement. I love how y'all been hitting the likes. Appreciate y'all. You already know what time. Best reaction channel on YouTube. Nah, Christ. I don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.